Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Chase debit card through mobile wallet. Easy setup, step by step, clearly. Begin by ensuring that your Chase debit card is in hand and ready to use. Open your smartphone and locate the mobile wallet app you want to use, such as Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. If you don't have the app installed, head to your app store and download it. Once the app is installed, open it. Look for an option that says Add Card or Add Payment Method. Tap on this option to begin the card activation process. Next, enter your Chase debit card number manually or use the camera feature to scan your card. Follow the prompts to enter the expiration date and the security code located on the back of your card. After entering your card information, review it for accuracy. Once confirmed, tap on the Next or Add Card button to proceed. You may be asked to verify your identity through a text message or email from Chase. Check your phone or email for the verification code and enter it into the app as prompted. After your card is verified, it will be added to your mobile wallet. You should see your Chase debit card listed in the app, confirming successful activation. Now you can use your Chase debit card through your mobile wallet at participating merchants. Remember to ensure your mobile wallet is set as the default payment method for seamless transactions. Congratulations, you've successfully activated your Chase debit card through your mobile wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.